Chapter 6 Cooking Food. Raw food, cooked food, way of cooking food, type of stoves, cooking utensils, preparing some food item, good cooking habits, do not waste food. We all need food to live. It gives us energy to work and play. It is essential for our growth. It keeps us healthy and protect us from diseases. Raw food. Most fruits and some vegetables are eaten raw. They are also raw food. We must wash their fruits and vegetables thoroughly before cutting them. When we wash them after cutting, many minerals and vitamins get washed away. Cooked food. We also know that most of the foods are cooked before we eat. For example, rice, wheat, maize, pulses, fish, flesh, potato and brinjal need to do cook before eating. This is called cooked food. Why do we need to cook food? First, cooking makes the food tasty. Cooking also make the food soft and easy to digest. It kills the germs that may be present in the raw food. Ways of cooking food. It is important to wash the food item before cooking them. There are various ways of cooking food. Let us learn about them. First, roasting. Roasting means cooking the food on the fire or in an oven. Food can also be roasted in pot. Earlier when coal and a wood burning chulhas were in use, food was roasted in the hot ash of these chulhas. We can cook various eatables like flesh, paneer tikka, popcorn, chapatis by roasting. Roasting makes the food tasty and crispy. Second, frying. Cooking food is a hot oil or butter is also known as frying. There are three types of frying food: deep frying, shallow frying and stir frying. When the food is cooked by a completely dipped in it oil, it is known as deep frying. A large quantity of oil is used in a deep frying. When the food is cooked half dipped in oil, it is known as shallow frying. The food is cooked in a small quantity of oil, it is called stir frying. Foods cooked by its methods do not lose their colors and nutrition while cooking. Third, boiling. When solid food is heated in water, bubbles of a hot air makes them to bottom of a surface. This is called boiling. It kills the germs in the food. Liquids like milk and are boiled without water. Boiling can be done in a deep pan or patilas. Rice, pulses, meat and vegetables curries are cooked in this way. Baking. When food is cooked in an oven, we call it baking, as baking needs very little or no fats. Food cooked this way is called healthy. We bake bread, cake, cookies, vegetables, meat and fish. Type of stoves. Apart from using various utensils for cooking, we use various type of fuel in cooking the food. In the earlier day, food are cooked with the fire generation on wood, but nowadays it is used only in village. In cities and towns, various other means such as LPG stoves, electric stoves, microwaves and electric oven are used for cooking. Cooking utensils. Various type of utensils are used in cooking. The type of utensils used makes the cooking easy and convenient. Utensils are usually made from wood, aluminum and steel. It is interesting to know that utensils of earlier time are made up of brass, bronze and clay. Sometimes works and flat fry pan called tawa are made on iron. Some utensils used for cooking are as follow. Preparing some food item. We have seen that food items are cooked in various ways. Let us know how to prepare some food item without cooking. Good cooking habits. The boiled water of pulses and vegetables should not be thrown away. It is convenient vitamins. It should be used in cooking. Wash fruits and vegetables before cutting because washing after cutting destroy the vitamins and minerals present in them. Do not eat overcooked and deeply fried food. It destroys the nutrition. Do not use too much spices. It also decreases the food value. Food must be cooked with just enough water and oil. Do not waste food. Waste food is the very bad thing. We should be careful about the washing food. We should take that much food is our plate which can be finished. There are many people who do not get enough food to eat. So we must not waste it. If there is extra food, then it should be stored properly from the next use. We can avoid wastage of food by keeping it in a refrigerator. Cooks from remains fresh for a long time in a refrigerator. We keep fruits and vegetables in refrigerator for the same reason. A.